Hi, I'm Thomas Pagel and I live near to Paderborn, which is quite in the middle of Germany. I work for Avanade, a joint venture of Microsoft and Accenture, one of the world leading consulting companies. This year I present about building a global health data repository. I had the chance to work together with a team from our company for a global health organization. Microsoft was also involved, and it was really a great experience to collaborate and taking the chance to use the latest technologies, serving a customer in a space which is quite different from what we were used before. Working for a non-government organization might be a challenge when you do it the first time. You might face different ways of thinking, and collaboration between the parties involved might be not exactly what you would expect. Security is a big topic, and navigating between interests for a maximum setup and leveraging the flexibility of the cloud might be tricky. We learned how terms we are used in our daily work might be understood differently in an organization like our customer. When looking at tools like Purview and Synapse, we discovered challenges how to apply them in a large scale, in a worldwide setup driven by traditional scientists and less by data engineers. Still, there's a lot to build, and we are far from being done, but we achieved a lot. We have a solid platform to build on top of. The customer is excited about it, and new teams are onboarded regularly. I'd share a lot of learnings we collected in the project about what's great on the Azure platform and where we got stuck, and also ideas we have for the future. Come and join me on a ride, which was exciting and will be the same in the coming years.